Oh!
I didn't see that grass on there.
Only bit of grass in the middle of the road. That's what you mean for it.
I think you need to come in more straight rather than diagonal.
Bit more power.
Go on, keep your arse end down. Keep your arse end down. There we go. It's weird because when you're coming in,